Today, I would like to share about sterilization. Sterilization consists of heat sterilization with the use of moist or dry heat, radiation, gas sterilization, and also filtration. First and foremost, heat sterilization. Heat sterilization consists of moist heat and dry heat. In moist heat, steam sterilization is the most widely used and the most dependable. It is because steam sterilization is non-toxic, inexpensive, rapidly microbicidal, sporicidal, rapidly heats and penetrate fabrics. The basic principle of steam sterilization is autoclave, where to expose each item to direct steam contact at required temperature and pressure at specific time. Four parameters of steam sterilization is steam, pressure, temperature, and time. Exposure of microorganisms to saturated steam under pressure in an autoclave achieve their destruction by irreversible denaturation of enzyme and structural protein. Steam sterilization usually used for aqueous preparation, and sterilization in an autoclave are 50 minutes in 121 to 124 degrees Celsius. This sterilization also for porous loads, especially surgical dressing and medical devices, and also for fats. And in dry heat process, the primary lateral process is considered to be oxidation of cells constituents. Dry heat required higher temperature than moist heat and longer exposure time. This method therefore more convenient for heat-stable, non-aqueous material and dry powder products. Sterilization by radiation. This sterilization used mainly for sterilization of heat-sensitive material and products. Many pharmaceutical products and some packaging material are radiation sensitive, so this method is permissible only when the absence of deleterious effect on the product. Exposure to ionizing radiation. Sterilization of certain active ingredients, drug products, medical devices in their final container or package. May be achieved by exposure to ionizing radiation in form of gamma radiation from suitable radioisotopic source such as cobalt-60 and electron energized by suitable electron accelerator. Gamma radiation and electron beams used to effect ionizing of molecules in organisms. Mutations are thus formed in DNA and thus alter replication. For gas sterilization, the active agent used is ethylene oxide or another highly volatile substance. The highly flammable and potentially explosive nature of such agent is a disadvantage unless they are mixed with inert gases to reduce highly toxic property and possibility of toxic residue remaining in treated material. The whole process is difficult to control and should only be considered if no other sterilization procedure can be used. The sterilizing efficiency of ethylene oxide depends on concentration of gas, humidity, time of exposure, temperature, and nature of load. Last but not least, filtration. Sterilization by filtration is employed mainly for thermolabile solutions. This may be sterilized by passage through sterile bacteria retaining film.